Hello guys, this is your friend the Great Lobbyist and I'm back again with another awesome video, and today we have a fantastic product from Switch. Now Switch is one brand which has been customizing all your favorite consumer electronics products and giving them a little bit of life and a little bit of character than usual. And today we have a product from them, and they've been making a lot of noise in the audio segment by coming up with an amazing range of earbuds, specifically with low latency and some really high quality active noise cancellation. And they've just come back and come out with an amazing product. That's Switch Quiet. Switch Quiet. It's amazing. TruBudz Quiet. This is a fantastic looking, beautiful looking box that we received. It's got some amazing features in it, which we're going to tell you all about. And you will have to do only one thing: press the subscribe button and the notification icon if you're watching us on YouTube. If you're watching us on Facebook, like and follow us there. We're there on Instagram and TikTok as well, handle at Great Lobbyist across the board. And we are there on the web, and the website is www.greatlobbyist.com. So I'm going to get straight on to the business. I'm going to open this box, find out what's inside it, and we're going to tell you everything that we know about it. So cool. As we open the box, we straight away have the earbuds right on. I love their packaging. It's just awesome, you know. And when we remove this, so let me get my favorite yellow cutter. Straight out, beautiful looking case. We've seen something similar recently. There you go. And the buds are packed externally, as you can see. So you're going to get them out, put them, snap them right into the box so that we know where they're going to go. Here we go. 1 and 2. So inside the box so far has been the case and the earbuds. And there is a little tiny box which has the Type-C USB charging cable and some additional silicone tips, I believe. Yes, and there is the Type-C cable, and the other side gives us the silicone tips. Here you go. Some extra silicone tips so that you can get the one you need to fit your size. And then under this box is some paperwork, typical warranty information, how to set up and use a manual. So getting that back in there and that back in there. I'm going to keep this on the side. And we don't need the Type-C cable as well. We're going to focus on these bad boys right here. So guys, here is a beautiful piece of hardware. Beautiful black matte finish. Amazing looking piece with Switch branding right on top. Now these bad boys are packed with advanced hybrid active noise cancellation technology. Now what does that mean? It means it reduces the ambient noise by up to 35 decibels, which means sort of a mini vacuum cleaner running. You can filter it out fairly easy and have a clear sound when you're listening to great music or watching your favorite TV show using these on. Now they use both feed forward mic and mic reverse as well to make sure that both sides of the communication are swift, smooth, and with almost zero ambient noise. So that is a very powerful mechanism right there. Now, it also has a sound through mode, which is the awareness mode in a very simple language, which means you once turned it on, you can be aware of your surroundings as well. So when active noise is turned on, you basically get cut off from the surrounding and you focus only on what you're listening to. This comes in handy when you're on a call with someone, but at the same time, if you're in a public place and you want to make sure you don't bump into anyone or anything, and nobody bumps into you, and you want to make sure you're aware of the surroundings, then the awareness modes come into play, which is sound through mode. Now, one of the things I love about this case is it's got wireless charging. So put it on that QI charger and you are good to go. You don't need to worry about plugging it in. So once fully charged with the case and the buds, they give you 29 hours of listening to great music on a great quality sound product. So that's fantastic as well. 29 hours with an average use at about 6 to 8 hours. You're good to go for about 3 to 4 days, which is fantastic. And, you know, for me, I'm a heavy user personally. and I love earbuds. I normally keep one plus one with me, and I've been using the other switch for myself at home, and for office I use another one. So this is going to be something which I'm going to be trying and keeping it in the office for a little while. But at the same time, if I don't, I'm giving you a chance to win it. All you have to do is press the subscribe button and the notification icon right down there. Don't forget that. So along with that, so all this, and plus you have all the touch controls right here to give you complete control of your situation. Whether you want to change the song, whether you want to increase the volume, answer call, reject call, everything can be done through touch controls right on the buds. It's IP5x5 splash and dust resistant, so go sweat it out while you're using it in the gym. They pretty much fit snaggily into your ears. So let me get one of these out, and this is the right one. Straight away goes into the pairing mode. That's what I can hear the moment I put them on. Great comfort, not going anywhere. So you can go for a run, go for a jog, go a run on the treadmill, working out. These come in beautifully handy. So one thing unique about this design, it actually is combining the the long stem earbuds and the short ones as well, which are normally in ear in their own way, the short one. So it's got that snugginess of the small ones and still gives you that extra stem to give you that extra microphone that you need for clear call. And in-ear detection, the moment you play it on, when you're listening to music, you remove one of the buds on, it goes into the pause mode, you put it back on, it goes into the play mode. So guys, a fantastic looking product by Switch, and we're giving you a chance to actually win this bad boy. All you have to do is subscribe to our channel, press that notification icon, like this video, and let us know what product of Switch do you love the most. So we've done a few of them. Go check out the channel or go to their website, which is www.justswitch.com, and check out their products and let us know in the comments what do you think about this one and which other favorite products of Switch, and we give you a chance to win this bad boy right back. And we're going to announce the winners end of July, so please keep those fast fingers. The first 20 people will get into the draw and will get a chance to win. This is your friend, the Great Lobbyist, signing off. Keep yourself safe. Peace.